There are times when we need to let one or a few students do something that the majority of the students don't get to do. For example, retaking a test or having extended time on a test. We have the ability to give those special exceptions to individual students. When you go to a test, edit test options, number 3 is test availability exceptions. You can add a user or a group. This is my roster for this class. We're going to use KitKat for our sample student and submit. Now I decide what KitKat gets to do that everyone else does not get to do. So for example, everyone else only got a single attempt, but KitKat might get multiple attempts, and I would decide 2 attempts or 3 attempts, or I could choose unlimited attempts. Everyone's timer says 60 minutes. Now I have auto submit on everyone else. I could keep her time at 60 minutes, but if I don't turn auto submit on, then KitKat could keep taking the test and you would just be made aware that they went over the time. Or I could change the time and say KitKat gets 90 minutes, but auto submit is still on, so it's strictly at 90 minutes. The availability is something that we've had a few questions about this semester as far as how it works. So this test has availability times set already. It was available from April 21st till April 25th. But KitKat wasn't able to take the test during that time. Maybe he or she, I haven't decided, was in the hospital. So we need to give KitKat a different time frame. So let's set it for May 12th through May 16th. I know that's not actually class days. Okay, so KitKat now has a different time setting. Now this can be different from the other students. However, the trick is that the test has to be available here. If the test is not available here, it doesn't matter what you set in the time here, and it doesn't matter what you set in the time here. However, if the test is available, if this box is checked right here, then you can select that the class is able to actually see the test during this time, and that KitKat is actually able to see the test during this time. Okay? You can also choose forced completion. I would strongly encourage you not to use forced completion. If you change your mind and decide KitKat doesn't deserve the special attention, you can always delete it right there. You can then add other groups or other students and give them different settings. For example, let's give chocolate chip unlimited attempts and 60 minutes, but not turn auto submit on, and the availability will be the same as the class, so I don't need to set that. And so now we're ready to go. So this is how you would add exceptions for individual students or individual groups.